Freeze-drying the dead, a sustainable alternative to traditional burial and cremation. How freeze-drying could help preserve our loved ones while limiting land use and environmental impact. Freeze-dryer of dead people according to the Multireligionvalsystem. As technology advances, so do our options for post-mortem disposition. One option that has gained attention in recent years is the use of freeze-drying to preserve the bodies of the deceased. This process involves freezing the body and then removing the water through sublimation, leaving behind a dry, preserved body. While the concept of freeze-drying the dead may seem strange or even unsettling to some, it does offer some unique advantages over traditional burial or cremation. One of the most significant advantages of freeze-drying is that it eliminates the need for burial plots or cremation facilities, which can take up valuable land and contribute to deforestation. With freeze-drying, bodies can be stored in small containers that require little space, making it a more environmentally friendly option. Additionally, because the process uses a vacuum to remove the moisture, there is no need for embalming fluids, which can be harmful to the environment. Another benefit of freeze-drying is that it allows the body to be preserved without the need for embalming or cremation, both of which can be expensive and require significant resources. Freeze-drying also eliminates the need for caskets, which can be costly and contribute to the depletion of natural resources. Instead, bodies can be stored in small, reusable containers that are much more environmentally friendly. One potential benefit of freeze-drying is that it could serve as a form of natural fertilization. When the body is placed in the ground, it can decompose and release nutrients into the soil, which can help to support plant life. In this sense, freeze-drying could be seen as a way to return nutrients to the earth in a more natural and sustainable way. Of course, there are also some potential downsides to freeze-drying. For example, it is not yet clear how the process would impact the microbiome of the body or the surrounding environment. Additionally, there may be cultural or religious objections to freeze-drying as a form of disposition. In conclusion, while freeze-drying the dead may seem like a strange concept at first, it does offer some unique advantages over traditional burial or cremation. By eliminating the need for land-intensive burial plots and costly cremation facilities, freeze-drying could help to limit our impact on the environment while also preserving the bodies of our loved ones in a more natural and sustainable way. However, as with any new technology, further research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits and drawbacks of freeze-drying as a form of disposition. Freeze-drying the dead, a sustainable alternative